Hello, welcome back to Unboxing the Battersea Museum, and I'm once again with Benoît Méléard. This time I'm surprising you, although really that's next to impossible because we've spent lots of time together down in this storage room. But as you know, the drill now, gloves first.
First.
Okay. All right, now these aren't really going to surprise you. And I picked them because I think you know these are one of my favorite artifacts of the entire collection. So actually you can do the unlifting.
Okay.
The unlifting. You can do the unboxing.
Doing now. What is the surprise?
Okay.
Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Herbert Levine.
Yes.
Wow. Wow, it's amazing.
Yeah, aren't they beautiful?
And black satin and gold with, that's match.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's beautiful.
But it's crazy. That it's the most beautiful label that I love. That it's a veneration for me.
Yes, and I know that you were good friends with Beth.
Yeah.
And did she ever talk to you about the kabuki?
She talked to me about it, yeah. And she didn't sell a lot. She didn't make a lot of press with this, but it was really avant-garde. She was really creative. She got, she looking for what's happened in Europe, but she became very creative by her own things in America.
Yes.
And she became the queen of footwear industry.
And so I understand, I can see why the two of you had synergism. Like she definitely, like you, was questioning sort of what were perceived to be the basics of footwear. And so she did do very elegant high heels, but then she would also do these kinds of more sculptural pieces.
Absolutely.
And, you know, of all the shoes in the collection, if I could ever have a pair reproduced for myself, I actually would love the kabukis.
Yeah, it's also, it's a beautiful work because you can see it's a classic kind of décolleté or ballerina, but she changed completely the volume, and it's really, it's influence, it's come from Japanese, but it's really like
digested. Yeah.
And it was very conservative, more conservative than now.
Yeah.
The footwear industry.
Oh, correct.
And she took the risk with her husband, and they give a lot of inspiration to a lot of people still now.
Yes, correct.
Herbert Levine is like the most beautiful footwear label in the world for me. She was really clear to be, not to be like Roger Vivier,
Correct.
but really strong and a big character. Businesswoman too.
Oh, yeah.
She loved to talk about money.
She was amazing. Yeah. This is from the 60s, which you might not know from looking at it. And also, these were owned by Gloria Swanson, the famous actress.
Very good.
So they have interesting provenance. They're made by, designed by Beth Levine, made by the company Herbert Levine, and they are, as I said, one of my favorite pieces in the collection, and I know they're one of yours as well. Thank you so much, Benoît, for being a part of this.
You're welcome. And
thank you for letting me show you one of my favorite pairs of shoes. I know that you also care for these deeply. So thank you also for tuning in to seeing Unboxing the Battersea Museum. Again, if you're interested in information about Benoît and his work, any information about us, that will be in our descriptions. And stay tuned for more unboxing videos coming up. Thanks.